NEXCO 西日本
Hello, it's Sam and Kay here. Today we're going to rent a car and take the expressway to go for a drive along the Yamada Highway, one of the best and most scenic routes to reach our destination, the breathtakingly beautiful natural scenery of Mount Daikanbo, located in the Aso area of Kumamoto Prefecture. So let's get the rental car paperwork over with and get on our way. Please note that foreign visitors will need an international driver's license to rent and drive a car in Japan. We recommend using the KEP Kyushu Expressway Pass when traveling throughout Kyushu by rental car. The KEP is a pass which allows you unlimited access to the entire expressway system in Kyushu for one set price, exclusively for tourists from abroad traveling by rental car. You must apply for a KEP at a designated rental car office before use. For more details, please visit the official KEP website. Be sure to insert your ETC card into the card reader prior to departure. Make sure to insert the card properly, the correct side up, and ensure that it is inserted completely into the reader. Make sure that all passengers have their seatbelts fastened. This includes not only the driver's and passenger seats, but also the back seats as well. Car seats are required by law for children under the age of 6. And now we're off on our way to Mount Daikanbo. First we'll head for the highway entrance, Deku Interchange. You can also take the Fukuoka Urban Expressway, but today we're taking the public highway, Japan National Route 3.
The Deku Interchange is the largest interchange in all of Kyushu, welcoming large volumes of traffic every day. Take one of the lanes marked ETC. When passing through ETC lanes, remember that sometimes the car in front of you may stop suddenly, so be sure to reduce speed to 20 km per hour or less, keep a safe following distance, and proceed slowly. Now we'll take the expressway headed toward Kumamoto, Oita, and Nagasaki. Unless otherwise indicated, the speed limit on the expressway is 100 km per hour. When indicated, the speed limit is typically 80 km per hour. The speed limit may also vary due to road construction or weather conditions, so be sure to check the speed limit as indicated and travel at a safe speed at all times. Making a U-turn, driving in the opposite direction of traffic, or driving in reverse on the expressway is prohibited by law.
It's about time for us to take a break. Rest area facilities are marked with a P sign. Each service and parking area's facilities will vary, but in general, service areas are larger than parking areas and are typically equipped with not only a parking lot, restrooms and shops, but also additional facilities such as a cafeteria, gas station and more. Designated parking spaces are available for oversized vehicles such as trucks and buses, as well as spaces for ordinary passenger vehicles and spaces reserved for handicapped guests. In recent years, these service and parking areas have come to offer an increasing variety of services and become so popular that some drivers will even take the expressway just to visit them. Free Wi-Fi is also available. You can pay in cash in Japanese yen or by credit card or even some mobile payment systems. Waste receptacles are separated into burnable waste or cans, glass, other waste, so be sure to dispose of trash into the correct bin. Please smoke in designated smoking areas only. If you have a question or require assistance, ask the staff at the information desk. The information desks are available at both service areas and larger parking areas. Now it's time to get back on the road, but be careful. The entrance and exit ramps to service and parking areas are one way only. So be sure to pay attention to the road signs and markings and make sure you take the exit ramp to merge once again with the expressway traffic.
The Tosu Junction is where each of the expressways heading north-south and east-west through Kyushu intersect, making this the busiest junction in all of Kyushu. One of few cloverleaf interchanges in all of Japan, its ramps are laid out in beautiful symmetry from left to right. Now we'll take the expressway headed for Oita. Getting pretty hungry, so let's stop at the Yamada service area for a bite to eat. Free Wi-Fi is of course available here as well. Here you will find not only local souvenirs from Kyushu, but also a variety of foods made using local ingredients from Oita Prefecture, and even fresh produce from local farmers. At the shop's checkout, you can pay either in cash in Japanese yen or by credit card, or even some mobile payment systems. Food court purchases are made by a vending machine, which accepts Japanese yen only.
Not all service areas have gas stations, so be sure to plan ahead and refuel when necessary. Looks like this here is our exit. So what do you think? Simply take the expressway for a fast, safe and pleasant journey through all the natural beauty that Kyushu really has to offer. For more detailed information about visiting Kyushu by car, please visit the website Travel Kyushu by Car.
NEXCO 西日本